Yeah, I don't know exactly what just happened, man, but I think Apex is messed up again. But I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, I think that was trade number 4. Yeah, man. Shh. Wait, hold on. Ah, man, my music's not playing again. I figured it out. All right, I finally got it figured out. That was annoying.
Forgot. Yes, on the west.
All right, now I'm more focused. Ah, man, this streaming thing, bro. Crazy. Anyway. You know, I really would actually like to get rid of this, the measurement. But, Vinny does recommend keeping the measurements in place because that can actually serve as a a good reference point. So you just keep it there. I'm waiting for a larger king time. You just keep it there until another double cross double move shows up, and then that's when you can delete the previous measurement and make a new one. I kind of have my finger on the buy because I think that there could be a bounce opportunity off of this line right here. Oh, case in point. But I want to be really careful about that, and because I've been burned taking a long entry before it actually reached to a level where price previously bounced off of. Dang. But it worked this time. Oh, that was the oh no, I thought that was the algos taking effect. Cause usually there's a lot of activity around 3:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where there's a flurry of activity because algos are kicking in, I guess, for people who are like taking positions at the end of the market day. Finally got my music playing.
I just wanna feel something, I don't really care if it hurts. Long as it's real, it don't gotta last long. I just wanna feel the wind, even if I gotta fall to feel it. Long as it's true, I don't really care what you say. Just show up, I don't care if you stay. I just need real right now, I just need real right now. I could pretend that I don't.
See, now price came up here, and oh, this is the open line. Okay, you gotta be real careful around here. But price came up here, I'm thinking this will be a good short opportunity here.
If my heart's in it, then it just has to work. If we made it this far, then we passed the worst. I'd rather take a whole no than a half yes. Take failed leaps over half steps. No doubts when we thinking on the past tense. Long as it's all real, I don't care what happens. Half of me wants you to go away. Half of me knows this is just a phase. But as long as I can still feel your soul, I don't care where we go. I just wanna feel something. I don't really care if it hurts, long as it's real and don't gotta last long. I just wanna feel the wind, even if I gotta fall to feel it. Long as it's true, I don't really care what you say. Just show up, I don't care if you stay. I just need real right now. I just need real right now.
Hey, you see how price is still playing around in this range from that drawing from the DCDM? I might take this one.
Adult. Master.
Nope.
Freeze.
No, man, this sucks. All time frames.
Double crossed out.
Your divergence and are already up. Might actually get in on this shirt, but only for a T1. But I'll bump it down to a small. Bam. So yeah, instead of like bothering with moving targets on the big ATM, it's like I would just, cause I know I usually do threes, so it'd be a lot easier if I could just. Oh, I was trying to see if I hit the account profit target. Not quite. I would have if Rhythmic wasn't overloaded so much earlier today. Most likely. Well, I can't say we're not in the business of predicting the future with Algobots. We anticipate things. We anticipate. But yeah, Vinny made a good point about how Rhythmic is literally like the only data feed provider that's, I think, mostly the only data feed provider that's really doing this thing, helping out all these trader funding companies by handing out demo accounts to trade on paper trading accounts. Oh, you see, that's why you do T1. Oh, in my case, I bumped it down to a small, but that's why you do T1 when you're going against MACV. And the MACV Ultimate is solid red because that came right back down. You want to be really careful. It looks like it's about to keep going though, but who knows? We anticipate, not react. Wow. Did not expect that. That was cool. Okay, MACV. Get him to neutral now. MACV Ultimate, I mean.
Pull us, their lives again, their lives
higher time frame coming up to the golden votes.
To go. NASDAQ on the breeze. To go. NASDAQ on the breeze.
MACB Ultimate turn is solid green now. But yeah, solid green. Yeah, with double delta right here. That means.
A veces nos
Oh
olvidamos
man,
lo
that means
fácil
take
que es
that
ahorrar
play.
energía en casa. Por eso Georgia
I'm
Power te
nervous.
recuerda lo sencillo que es hacer un giro para cambiar las bombillas LED. O tan fácil como levantar un
Oh,
mueble
snap.
para desbloquear las salidas de aire.
Order
Podría
Okay.
ser el interruptor que apaga las luces
Okay.
del cuarto vacío.
I rock with what Vinny say. Vinny said double delta. Vinny said double delta. Take the next play. I was nervous because I really do like to have something else going on the lower time frame and closer to Lords and King timing.
to go. NASDAQ.
I mean, there was a shark back here though. You can enter on the shark,
We've got to sell our houses.
but you know, I still wanted something over here.
Not with your folks.
No worries. Avoid double
Oh
mortgage
snap!
mortgages.
Got that?
Single
I got the what's
Start
the
with
profit target? It's 9,000
offer now.
on all of my accounts. That's awesome. So that was 6 trades. I really want to trade again, but you know,
NASDAQ on the breeze.
The hottest hits
ooh,
of
I would
the
take that
summer.
one.
All on one playlist.
See, if I had waited until King timing, I would have taken that. I would have taken that one. Push the target out here. Oh snap! Yeah, the mat be back solid green. Solid green though. But you see how the price keep bouncing?
NASDAQ on the pod.
I mean,
Burna Boy and more. Listen to hits
To go.
at least T1.
now on Spotify.
Yeah, at least target 1. Nah, I'm pretty sure that definitely hit.
To Forgot. NASDAQ.
Yeah, that's about, you could say 124 to 20, so 16, so that's 15 ticks at least. There's more than 15, but that's definitely 15 ticks. So I would have had to remind myself that the Mad B Ultimate was green. I feel like I would have forgot. But yeah, you would have had to remind yourself, like, okay, price keep bouncing up here. You up here, you want, and you see a short opportunity. Remember that Mad B Ultimate is green. You can get in, but move your ATM down. I would have a tiny ATM, but I feel like it's not even worth it if it's not on the S&P. But anyway, I'm talking too much. I'm excited, bro. Okay, trade performance. Let's see. Oh man, my how do I do this? Man, a lot of issues with Rithmic today. I'll talk about that. Oh man, let me see. How do I do this? Bam. Yeah. Let's see.
Forgot. NASDAQ on the threes.
Nah. Yeah. Okay. Woo. Oh man. Okay, I actually
Into divergence.
Man, let me see.
Forgot. Russell on the twos.
Man, I'm taking a long time, I know.
Forgot. Yes on the ones.
Dang. I think I deleted that file. Ah, crap. Okay, hold on. I'm taking a while. So I'm back, and so basically earlier today, I I'm also trading Tick Trader. I'm on the side because I wouldn't really even get a payout from Apex continuing considering when I started until like freaking November. So I was like, man, let me do something else. So this is with Tick Trader. That's what I have going on now. I reset it like 2 times, but this is like my 3rd try. Cause the first 2 times that was just like I just made like a bunch of newbie mistakes, like in terms of like setting up certain things. So, but anyway, so this is what I did while Apex was working with the rhythm stuff. But yeah, so this is Tick Trader right here, and let's go to one account. So here, because I went to the grocery store. So this is 9. This is trade 49. Okay. So dang. Yeah. Okay. Well, I was like, what? But anyway, trade 49. Okay, right around here. So this was Rhythmic servers. They were, hold on. Oh, dang. Another taking too long. I know. I got this thing fixed. Freaking live streaming. It's a lot easier to just record. And okay, yeah, so 49, that was my last trade, I think. I'm going back. But yeah, Richmond service. So I pressed the close button, but and I recommend to everybody, like to people, that when they're using these trader funding programs, especially if you're trading multiple accounts, I keep the position tab open, and then that way when you right click it, you can flatten everything in case some orders or some position don't close, and that's what I keep off to the side. And I also keep RTrader Pro open, but I'm not gonna show that because I can't block my account numbers on that. But yeah, so I closed the trade. I mean, I was down, but obviously I wouldn't let a trade go that far against me. But I closed a trade, and there were still orders that were going, and there was nothing showing in my positions tab, but in the I had to open up. Well, actually, I already had RTrader open, but I just had to go to it to actually see that you can see it. It's like a small red box with a white S in it. So it's like a very small part of the entire screen. So you have to look right at that just to notice that an order is still open. Position is still open, and you can't right click it like in NinjaTrader and just click flatten everything. You have to go like one by one with each account. Like, it's crazy, man. So yeah, but I just left that all alone, and as Apex was aware of the problem, so they handled it, and I'm pretty sure they didn't really have to, but they went ahead and reset my account balance back to where I ended yesterday. So hey man, that's nice that they were doing good business like that, and I really appreciate that, because I do not want to do any kind of reset and trade those days all over again, because trading days do not include calendar days. So yeah, that would have been whack. But here, so 41. I get a. You on this? two.
Here we go again. So insane, cause when it's going good, it's going great. I'm Superman with the wind in his back. She's Lois Lane, but when it's bad, it's awful. I feel so ashamed. Now snap, who's that dude? I don't even know his name. I laid hands on him. I never stoop so low again. I guess I don't know my own strength.
49. So, wait a minute. That should be like positive. But I made, so basically that's my profit for the day. Net 1969.78 after they after Apex so graciously reset my account balance. And from now on, this is I guess this is gonna be a pro tip for anybody else who's doing trader funding companies, because I'm pretty sure all of them except for this new company called Trade Day, they all go through Rithmic. So from now on, if the BPM is like 70 plus, I'm just gonna stay away and wait until it comes down. Or if I'm placing orders and I see that I can't see where my entry is, I really shouldn't have entered that. I want to see where it's gonna go. Okay, cool. What's it at now? Just a little bit more. Oh no. 21.54.12. Okay. let me do the new one. Let's do this. 21.54.12.
Now I know we said things, did things that we didn't mean, and we fall back into the same patterns.
All right.
Team, but your temper's
So that's my new profit. That's my new. Get you some Marvel Bob. Get you some. Oh man. Hold on. Let me get my man. Hook me up. I feel good. I know, right? Oh, I think I forgot to turn my music off. Okay, here. So yeah, that's my new profit, 2,000. Yeah. So Rithmic. So basically, yeah. Anytime the BPM is 70 plus, and I can't see my entry, like, you know, my Ninja Trader shirt isn't showing my entry, I'm just gonna assume that the Rithmic is just on the fritz, and I'm just gonna leave it alone. You know, because avoiding a loss is, well, I wouldn't say it's just as good as a W, but it's pretty close. Because you could just lose everything that you made in your previous trading day and more. So that's how that can go. And here we go. So net profit man, see, I can't even show my actual profit factor because I can't like edit out, you know, all the trades that were taken before Apex reset my account balance to yesterday. So this isn't really gonna be accurate, so I can't really tell you what it is. So yeah, this is like everything from here to here. That's the best that I can see for today. You just color in some green here. It'd be cool if I had Vinny's like drawing tool. That would be good. What would that draw down though? Alright, I'm taking too long. But yeah, and this is that Tick Trader one. I'm looking forward to this because, you know, with this and I have the $100,000 account. So the profit target for that is 6,000. Here I got up to about 4,800. Let me see. I can just show it here. Right, of course. Let's show that one. That summary. So net profit $4,870. Max drawdown of 1,070. That's decent. It's okay. If you have a max drawdown that's like half of the net profit that you made, then it's like, well, you probably need to be a little bit better about cutting your losses. Profit factor, winners 2.42 times the size of my losers. 68.63% profitable. Yeah, I'm noticing that I'm not really getting 70+% profitable a lot of time. It seems like it's, been around 65 plus. I mean, I have had days where I've done 70, 80 plus, but I'm just noticing that seems to be a trend with this trading fund and stuff. But yeah, I like how with the tick, the drawdown isn't trailing, so they just take the drawdown at the end of the day. And obviously with this profit, I'm pretty sure their drawdown for the 100,000 and 3,500. So my drawdown already at my starting balance. I think it's the starting balance plus 100. So probably by tomorrow, I'll probably see that the drawdown will be at 100,100. So yeah, just don't go down that far. And I'm also doing the quick, I don't know, the quick version of the 100K, where it's like $99 for 15 days. Because I was like, well, it'd be cool if I get a refund for that. I can use that to pay for the account fee, which is $249 for the 100K accounts, and that's the same. And with the refund, that would be net about $150 that I will pay, which would be the same in the smaller accounts. So that's also a bonus. So $150 net, just to be able to have an account where I can start trading for live money right away. I mean, keep in mind, you still have to get to like a certain safety threshold where there's a certain amount of money left in your account before you can withdraw. But everything after that, that's private. I don't have to wait like to withdraw once a month or once a week or any of that crap. So that's cool. So I think I've done enough talking, and I will catch you all on the flip side. See ya.